Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep the map facing north in the Waze app in 2026. Do you prefer having your map always facing north? Instead of the map rotation as you drive, you can switch to north up orientation. And here's exactly how to do so. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to enjoy an easy, practical driving experience, you can use this app right here. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to use the Waze app. Now the first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and go to the map screen. We're gonna open here and look for the compass icon on the map. Now where's the map? Compass icon? Here, gonna look for it. Now let's look here. Gonna go to the settings also, and you can click on the navigation option. And here you're gonna look for the compass options. If you don't find it here, you can go to the map display, and here you can keep map north up. As you can see, this is the third option. You're gonna click on it, and this will make your map always heading towards north. As you can see here, this is your map right here, and it's changed the direction towards the north area. Now as you drive and change the direction, the map can remain oriented with north and at the top instead of constantly rotating with your vehicle. The exact behavior can vary slightly depending on your device and the Waze version. And that's how you keep your Waze app map facing north. Try both orientation and choose whichever makes navigation easier for you. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.